In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy way on how you can change country on Amazon. Now, if you are purchasing things from Amazon and it displays a different currency or it displays a different country, here as you can see it says here United States, but I don't really live in United States. Now, what you need to do, guys, to change, there are two ways on how you can change the country. Now, you want to click here where it says all in the top left, and you will scroll down at the very bottom. You want to click on United States or the country. Here you can change it to any country, for example Canada, and then you want to click on go to website, and that's it. Now if you want to change it on here, you just want to move your mouse in the top right. You can also change the currency, as you can see, change USA dollars. You can change it to, for example, another currency, for example Chinese yuan, and you want to click on save changes. So you can change the language here. You can do a lot of things. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.